What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release August 3rd. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. First up, we got the Air Jordan Retro 4 Paris releasing July 27th. Next, we got the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG High Black and Metallic Gold releasing August 3rd. Next, we got the Air Jordan Retro 6 Paris releasing on August 7th. Next, we got the Air Jordan Retro Low Midnight Navy releasing August 17th. Next, we got the Air Jordan Retro 4 White Thunder releasing August 24th. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan Retro 3 Amon Meniere releasing sometime in August. All of those releases, plus the one that we're about to review, is shipping out early on Fineline1721.com. Also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check those out. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, as you can see, we got the standard Jordan Lift Top box. Red Jumpman logo sitting on top of some nice little texture details going throughout. Taking a look at the label. Air Jordan 6 Retro, white varsity red, size 11 we're gonna be taking a look at. That same detail of like celebrating the Olympics and look like fireworks going throughout is present right here on the white paper. Here, the solid white paper. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 6 Olympic. Now, these do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into the shoe. Starting off with that top-down view, all navy blue sock liner, navy blue insole with the white Jumpman logo. Got the all navy blue tongue with the navy blue Air Jordan print going across the top. Got the all red lace lock with the white Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Now, one thing of note, these do not come with the standard Air Jordan Retro 6 flat laces. The flat laces have been replaced with kind of like the thin rib laces. Now, going around to the lateral side of the shoe, as you can see, we have that standard carmine color blocking. Got navy blue and white tumbled leather going throughout. Now, to my knowledge, these do not come with any 3M material. Taking a look at the midsole, we got the two-tone midsole, white and navy blue, milky white air bubble unit sitting on top of the icy blue outsole, navy blue traction with the red Jumpman logo sitting in the middle. Now, going around to the heel of the shoe, got the red Jumpman logo sitting on top of the red Air. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. So, taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 6 Olympic. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up, it is shipping out early on Fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.